Hey Timber Creek ESD, this is Miss Elena here. I hope you are all doing well and staying safe. For today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. I'm almost 100% sure most of you have tried to make slime and were very successful at it. I'm going to be teaching you the way my sister taught me and hopefully you enjoy it. Alright, so before we get started, I forgot to mention that you have to ask your parents for permission so that way you don't get in trouble. But these are the things that you will need. You will need a plastic bowl, a plastic spoon, a cup of warm water, some shaving cream, all-purpose glue, borax. If you don't have borax, you will need some Tide laundry detergent, some lotion, and these are optional. If you have acrylic paint and food coloring and glitter, it will make the slime so much prettier. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to do is make the solution to activate the glue so that way it becomes slime. What you will need is borax, a warm cup of water, and a plastic spoon. If you do not have borax, you can go ahead and skip this step. But we are going to go ahead and take less than a tablespoon of borax, so probably half a tablespoon, and we are gonna put it in our warm water so that way it dissolves, and mix it. And that's the first step. You want to make sure that the borax is dissolving in the water. So you don't want any grainy borax. You want to make sure that it is clear. Alright, so you're going to mix it for a while. And if it's not dissolving, maybe you can put the water in a microwave for about 10 seconds so that way the water gets warm again. So for your second step, you're going to need the plastic bowl. You're going to need the glue, shaving cream, and lotion. Alright, so you are going to open the top of your glue, and you're gonna put it as much as you can of it in the bowl. You're gonna grab your shaving cream, put some shaving cream, alright, about that much. I don't know how much that is, but just eyeball it, whatever you think might be. And then you're gonna grab your lotion and you're gonna put 5 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and that's all that you need to do for the second step. Alright, so Miss Elena is behind the camera now because I messed up. So I decided that my sister is going to teach you the next few steps.
Alright guys, so we're going to take our spoon, we're going to clean it off, get all that borax out. And now, now we're going to mix the glue and the lotion. And then we're gonna add our coloring. So I think I'm gonna use some paint right here. You can use your food coloring and your paint. So I'm gonna do, I think just 2 little squirts would be fine. Okay. And then we're gonna mix all that up until the color is, you can see the color and everything.
Mix it. Alright, so it kind of looks like that. It's gonna show some white, but it's okay. It's gonna mix. And there we go. Just like that.
Now we're gonna put in our borax. Oh right, and this is the time, if you have Tide, you're gonna put in your Tide. You're gonna just put a spoonful, and then you're gonna keep on going if it needs some more. So yes, and now we're gonna put our borax in little by little. So you're gonna do just a splash and just mix.
Mix it up. You can see kind of like a little spider, like webs kind of almost. Alright.
I'm gonna need a little more. Alright. Yep. So it hasn't turned into slime yet, so if it hasn't hardened or made into slime, you're gonna put a little more just so it can get a little harder. So that's what we're doing here. And you see how it's coming off of the rims of the bowl? That's kind of what you want to start seeing. Just start mixing that around, and now that it's getting a little harder, and that's kind of what you want to see, you're gonna grab it with your hands. This is where you're gonna get a little sticky, but it's okay. You can clean it off. So you're gonna grab that. Put our spoon down here, and we're just gonna start kneading it a little bit. Alright, so we're just gonna keep on mixing. And you see how it's already starting to turn into slime. It's gonna be a little clumpy at first because we're still kind of mixing it. And if it needs to be a little bit more, if it's still a little runny and it's sticking a lot to your fingers, you're gonna want to put just a little bit of borax, as the same with the Tide. So see how it's already starting to turn into slime, and if you want, you can go back into your bowl and start just getting all those little pieces that are still left from the glue, and then mixing them as well. And we can add some glitter now. So we're gonna make like a little, we're gonna stand it out here. We're gonna go grab our glitter. We're gonna use some blue glitter and just sprinkle that on here. Cute. Alright, don't add too much or else it's gonna go everywhere. We're gonna move this, and we can clean our spoon as well. And you see, you can kind of see, and we're gonna be able, once you start mixing them, there you go. You can start seeing the slime, and you can do really cool tricks, and you can make fart noises and crunchies, and we'll do some pops. So you're just gonna start pulling it and putting it back, pulling it back, just kind of like this. If it gets a little sticky, you just gotta maneuver it. Move it around, sorry. And then you're gonna do this, and then you do a little swirl, and then you crunch it, and then you can pop it, or if you have a little cup, you can kind of make some fart noises, I guess. Alright guys, so that was it, and now I'm gonna hand it over to Miss Elena. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. We already made our slime. Make sure you only touch it with your hands. Don't get it in your clothes or in your hair. Be very careful with it. Make sure you clean up all your mess. As you can see, we have a mess here, and I'm gonna clean it all up. So make sure you clean all your mess up. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video of how to make slime with me and my sister. If you guys have any other suggestions of videos, please comment below if you can. Alright, I hope you guys have a good day.